everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Do you want to speak English confidently? You're in the right place. Our speaking exercises are fun, simple, and perfect for beginners.
In this video, we have 3 easy steps to help you practice. Let's see how it works. Part 1. Listening practice. Part 2. Listen and repeat. Part 3. Shadowing practice. Now, are you ready to improve your English? Let's get started.
Part 1. Listening practice. Listen to a short conversation between 2 native English speakers. Try to understand the story.
Emma, I did something stupid today.
What happened this time?
I bought something I did not need.
That does not sound surprising.
Thanks for the support.
You are welcome. So what did you buy?
I bought a giant lamp online.
A giant lamp? Why?
It looked really cool in the pictures.
And where are you going to put it?
That is the problem.
You did not think about that first?
I was excited when I saw the discount.
Discounts are dangerous for you.
The lamp arrived this morning.
Is it really that big?
It's taller than my bookshelf.
That is not a lamp. That is furniture.
I tried putting it in my bedroom.
How did that go?
Now I can barely open the door.
That sounds inconvenient.
Then I moved it to the living room.
Does it fit there?
Not really.
So you spent money on a problem.
When you say it like that, it sounds bad.
Because it is bad.
Maybe I can return it.
That sounds like your best option.
Or maybe I can keep it.
Why would you do that?
Because it still looks really cool.
You learned absolutely nothing today.
That is probably true.
At least you're honest.
Part 2. Listen and repeat. Listen carefully and say them out loud after the speaker. It's great for your pronunciation. Ready? Let's practice together.
Emma, I did something stupid today.
What happened this time?
I bought something I did not need.
That does not sound surprising.
Thanks for the support.
You are welcome. So what did you buy?
I bought a giant lamp online.
A giant lamp? Why?
It looked really cool in the pictures.
And where are you going to put it?
That is the problem.
You did not think about that first?
I was excited when I saw the discount.
Discounts are dangerous for you.
The lamp arrived this morning.
Is it really that big?
It's taller than my bookshelf.
That is not a lamp. That is furniture.
I tried putting it in my bedroom.
How did that go?
Now I can barely open the door.
That sounds inconvenient.
Then I moved it to the living room.
Does it fit there?
Not really.
So you spent money on a problem.
When you say it like that, it sounds bad.
Because it is bad.
Maybe I can return it.
That sounds like your best option.
Or maybe I can keep it.
Why would you do that?
Because it still looks really cool.
You learned absolutely nothing today.
That is probably true.
At least you're honest.
Part 3. Shadowing Practice. This is the best part. You will become one of the characters. When character A speaks, you reply as character B. Then we change. When character B speaks, you reply as character A. It feels like a real conversation. Ready? Let's get started.
Emma, I did something stupid today. I bought something I did not need. Thanks for the support. I bought a giant lamp online. It looked really cool in the pictures. That is the problem. I was excited when I saw the discount. The lamp arrived this morning. It's taller than my bookshelf. I tried putting it in my bedroom. Now I can barely open the door. Then I moved it to the living room. Not really. When you say it like that, it sounds bad. Maybe I can return it. Or maybe I can keep it. Because it still looks really cool. That is probably true.
Now, reply as character A.
What happened this time? That does not sound surprising. You are welcome. So what did you buy? A giant lamp? Why? And where are you going to put it? You did not think about that first? Discounts are dangerous for you. Is it really that big? That is not a lamp. That is furniture. How did that go? That sounds inconvenient. Does it fit there? So you spent money on a problem. Because it is bad. That sounds like your best option. Why would you do that? You learned absolutely nothing today. At least you're honest.
Great job today! Practice this conversation again to improve your English speaking and pronunciation. See you in the next lesson.